Run an affiliate marketing business successfully. Businesses, what do they have in common? Advertising. Almost all businesses, big or small, no matter what product or services they sell, they need this to be successful in selling whatever products or services they are selling. We see them everywhere in our everyday lives. We see them in flyers, TV commercials, billboards, walls, theaters, sides of buses, and even on the sides of milk boxes, and we even hear advertising on radios and telephones. Advertising is a tool businesses reach out to more people to buy their products or services. It is a fact that a business will only grow just a little or not at all without advertising. Thriving businesses hire advertising companies to advertise for them. It is probably better than getting your employees out on the street advertising your products and services for you. Advertising itself is a business, and you might think that this kind of business is great for making money, and you are right, it does make a lot of money. Businesses pay big money to advertise their product. The same goes for the internet. Online businesses have many ways to advertise their products and services. One of the most common ways is to advertise through affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing has been around for quite a while now, and it's still flourishing. If you are planning to get into the affiliate marketing business, you be successful in it. Firstly, you have to know what affiliate marketing is all about, how it works, and what to expect. Affiliate marketing works by signing up a website as an affiliate of an online business to advertise for them. Keep in mind that you will not be actually selling the product or services, but you just have to pre-sell the product or services. This means that if you sign up as an affiliate of an online business, your website becomes pretty much like a billboard or an advertising space. Unlike billboards, online businesses will not pay you to post their links on a website, but they will only pay you a commission if a visitor from your website clicks the link and buys the product or services the online business is offering. To start being an affiliate, you first need a website. Your website should have a specific theme or topic you are interested in. Remember that the key to this business is targeted internet traffic. Having a theme in your website can make it easier for you to get targeted traffic. Planning your website. Firstly, create a website based on specific content based on what you know, like your hobby or your previous work. Secondly, think of the most profitable topics based on your website's theme. Lastly, choose an affiliate program related on what is being discussed on your website's topic. It is important that you should not include sales pitch on your website. Including one will make it look like you're selling the product or services. Remember that you're not selling the product, but just referring on where to you can buy the product. Your topic should be more on the information side. Include things on what it is all about, why buy the product, and you can include the pros and cons of the product if you want. You might think it will discourage potential buyers. Nevertheless, giving your opinion about the product will make it look like you tried the product and knowledgeable about it. This would result in people wanting to try for themselves. It is also wise that your advertising should not be in your article page. Create a different page that has the affiliate. What is targeted internet traffic? Targeted internet traffic is the visitors you want in your website. These visitors are people who are interested in the product you will be discussing in your website, not just someone who accidentally entered your site. High amounts of untargeted internet traffic are useless in your affiliate website. All they do is look at your website for a couple of seconds and leaves. To generate increased targeted internet traffic, you have to create articles regarding the product or services the online business you signed up as an affiliate and put in your website URL at the end of each article, then post it on article publishing websites. Another great thing about this is that not only it generates high amounts of targeted internet traffic, but also it is also free. Rank well on search engines. Internet users seldom go to the third results of their search. It is important that your website be instantly shown on the first or second search results. These are some of the basic structures in building your affiliate business. Just remember that targeted traffic is the lifeline of affiliate marketing. Websites with little or no targeted traffic are websites that do not generate suitable income.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.